Again, guys, the Origins Bird, break 4126. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 11 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Again, 11 here, 11 here. Dolphins up top. Rams at the bottom. 11 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Again, 11 here, 11 here. Josh Kane up top. Tim at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Your Dolphins did not sort. They're at the top. There's your squads. Good luck. Here we go. An Origins Bird. Good luck, good luck. Yes, you missed the filler, Matt. You missed the filler, brother. Uh-oh, we got a thick one here. I'm thinking we got booklet. Good luck. I think we got a booklet in this one. Again, Tim's feeling happy. We definitely got a booklet. Again, good luck, everybody. First up, 11 out of 125, Jared Goff for the Detroit Lions and Joe Holloway first on the board. Khalil Herbert, 94 out of 149, Chicago Bears and Tim. Matt, filler's full, brother. Filler is full, and the filler ran. Buda Baker for the Cardinals and Joe Holloway. Roschon Johnson for the Bears on the base. Getting Bears going to Tim. Rookie patches, Hendon Hooker. 25 out of 199, little two-color patch. Detroit Lions and Joe Holloway. Green Bay Packers and Tim. How about Jaden Reed, 31 out of 99 on the rookie ink. Nice one there for the Packers. Jaden Reed going to Tim. Deuce Vaughn for the Dallas Cowboys going to Tim as well on the ink. And on the booklet, rookie booklet patch auto Clayton Tune. Sweet looking card there. Congratulations. That's going to Joe Holloway and the Arizona Cardinals. Clayton Tune to 49 on the booklet. Sweet card there, Joe. Congratulations. Let me grab you a case for that. Didn't you hit the Bateman booklet too? Second booklet you've gotten tonight. Getting Clayton Tune to 49. Booklet, rookie, patch, auto. 5 out of 49 on the Tune. Again, quick recap. You got Deuce Vaughn for the Cowboys. Jaden Reed to 99. Hendon Hooker to 199. Roschon Johnson, Buda Baker, Khalil Herbert, 149. Goff to 125, and the Clayton Tune to 49 on the RPA, going to Joe and the Cards. That is the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.